Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Coaching. Let us understand what are the different types of psychological test. Here you can see there are four types of test. One is verbal, non-verbal, performance and speed and power test. So what is a verbal test? A verbal test needs the individual to be literate because here the individual needs to either speak or write something. So for example, there is a test called sentence completion test. In this test of sentence completion, you are given a sentence that you need to complete. For example, I am giving you an example. Suppose a sentence is written with, it starts with my mother and then it is left blank. So the individual is required to complete this sentence. So this is a kind of test which needs that individual to be able to write or to be able to speak. So literacy is minimum requirement. Next comes non-verbal test. Non-verbal test includes symbols and pictures. So a person may not be literate, but he needs to understand the relationship between the symbols and the pictures. So there is a test called Raven's progressive matrices test. There you can find that one picture will be given with an incomplete box here, blank space, and there will be four options and you will be required to tell which one A, B, C, D will fit in this box so that this picture completes. So this type of Raven's progressive matrices, and there are other certain tests also which are based on symbols and pictures. So they don't require the individual to be literate, but the individual needs to understand the relation of the pictures and symbols with each other. Then comes performance test. Performance tests have certain objects that are placed in an haphazard manner and you need to place them in a particular sequence. So suppose like a puzzle, you are solving a puzzle, so you need to put certain pieces together to make a complete meaningful picture. That is a performance test. And lastly, we have speed and power test. Speed test includes time limit. So you have a certain time limit in which you have to complete all the questions which are given, and they may not vary in difficulty. They may have a similar level of difficulty, but the time is limited. So you will be measured according to the time that you have taken to complete that question. And in power test, you don't have any time limit, but the difficulty of the questions are increasing. So with starting with the minimum difficulty level, then it goes to medium difficulty, then higher difficulty, and like that. So your difficulty level is increasing in power test, but there is no time limit as it is there in the speed test. So these are some examples of different types of psychological tests which are administered either on the individual or on the group of people. Thanks for watching.